name is Engineer Eze Okoli. I'm a staff of Department of Electronic Engineering, System Analyst, so I'm a technologist. So here we are having a practical, this is a Todier Fortier practical class. Presently I'm handling the Todier students in EC 363. So we are supposed to see the effect of an increment of the resistance to the transistor. So in the experiment we are supposed to increase the resistor and reduce it. I will now see how the voltage or the current increases or reduces. So in the long run we'll be able to see the real effect of the transistor characteristics. So the students are there, they are in their regalia doing the practical, and in the long run they'll be able to say, they've done the theory aspect of the transistor, they'll be able to say this is the theoretical aspect of the transistor, which we have learned from this our trainer. Thank you.